Hello guys, I am making this video basically to tell you guys that I will be uploading some critical reasoning questions on my channel for practice and to make you realize that how important these critical reasoning questions are as far as the verbal section is concerned. So if you have seen CAT 19 RC questions, if you have gone through the RC passages of CAT 19, many questions did require the critical reasoning skills. And forget about CAT 19, not only CAT 19, major RC question types like inference based questions or the conclusion based questions like strengthening, weakening the particular argument questions, or you must have seen some questions like where the question says that which of the following options is least likely to be the author's opinion. So basically, all these questions do require us the critical reasoning skills, and that's where the importance of CR questions comes into the picture. So that's where I have also realized that there is a need to upload the CR questions, the critical reasoning questions on my channel. It will give the structure to the preparation as far as the verbal section is concerned. How it will look like. Basically, you can practice the RC questions on your own from the regular sources or from wherever you are doing. So do the RC questions, but simultaneously practice the critical reasoning questions as well, either from other sources, or you can come to see these videos on the channel wherein I will be uploading the critical reasoning questions. So what I am trying to say is you have to give your time, you have to invest your time in both the things, RCs as well as the critical reasoning questions. And that will not only help in the CAT's verbal section, it will going to help in the XAT verbal section as well, because critical reasoning plays a vital part, vital role as far as the verbal section of XAT exam is concerned. So do all both the things simultaneously. Practice RCs, that's very important, and practice simultaneously CR questions. So basically, what would be the best way to practice? I will be uploading, I guess, 5 to 6 questions in one video for practice the CR question. So first pause the video, try it by yourself, and then we will discuss. So basically, that's the structure that we're going to follow in these videos. And I hope together we can discuss about these skills and together we can develop the critical reasoning skills to ace the verbal section, not only for CAT, but for XAT as well. So basically, that's why I am making this video. And I hope you like this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. And it takes a lot of effort to gather the data and to upload on the YouTube. However, it's a different thing. So please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you will get the notification whenever I upload the video. And the next video will be on the critical reasoning questions of 5 to 6 critical reasoning questions, not more than that in one video. Okay. Okay. So that's all that I want to discuss in this particular video. Till then, see you guys in the next one. Thank you.